Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today's the big day. I'm on my way to Waco, Texas to see my friends down at Gibbs RV to pick up my new Palomino HS 750 hardside truck camper. Let's go to Waco. Well everyone, we made it. We're here at Gibbs RV, Outdoor and Recreation, here in Waco, Texas. Let's go take a look at my truck before they start the installation process, and I'll be right back with you. So here it is, my 2020 Ford F250. Again, I'm here at Gibbs RV in Waco, Texas, and I can't begin to tell you what a great buying experience this has been. I'm here to pick up my 2022 Palomino HS 750 hardside truck camper, and it's been just a great experience. No pressure sales. If you're in the market looking for an RV, I highly recommend coming to Gibbs RV here in Waco, Texas. They're getting ready to, here in a few minutes, to install the torque lift tie-down system on my truck, and as well as the fast gun turnbuckles that are going to secure my HS 750 to the truck. So, without further ado, let's let them get started. Well, there she is, installed and mounted, ready to head home. That is a good looking unit. Thanks again, Gibbs RV. You guys did great. Couldn't be happier. Looking forward to many exciting road trips.